Welcome back to another video, traders, and if you're new to the channel, welcome to Tesla Trends. I'm TJ. We got a great video for you today, but before we get into it, please drop a like on this video, subscribe to the channel, stick around, join us on the journey. All right, let's take a look at the chart. All right, so we got earnings tomorrow. The report comes out after hours. Let's just take a look at where the markets are right now. So this is the SPY chart. Just zoom out a little bit in case you guys forgot. After a recent pullback and retest of this 422 level, we bounced back, and on Friday basically hit new all-time highs. So S&P stronger than it's ever been. NASDAQ similar position, bounced back, almost testing the bottom of the growth channel here, and then recovering, and on Friday again higher than it's ever been before. So markets are strong right now. We had a little bit of a scare earlier last week, and then a very strong recovery. Now where's Tesla at in all this confusion? We're kind of in between trends. So we had a very strong run recently, and then a couple of sharp tests of this bottom support here at 621, and now we're kind of failing to hold this uptrend line, but not exactly falling below this downtrend line anymore. We're starting to move sideways really ever since 624. So the price range for me right now is 695 to 620, and at 643 we are sort of on the bottom half, pretty close to the middle, but slightly on the bottom half. Let's look at a couple other time frames here just to get these trend lines. Yeah, so still above the downtrend line here on the 30-day, 30-minute, and below the uptrend as well. On the 10-day chart, we actually fell below the downtrend in after hours trading here. Not super concerned about that. I think the one to focus on right now is this 30-day chart, and really going back to June 24th. We haven't been able to break above 695. We haven't fallen below 621. We're kind of just seeing sideways action within this price channel, and right now we're on the lower half of the middle side of that price channel. So to me, I'd say there's a lot of upside potential, and I think we really haven't seen that big pre-earnings run yet. So I'm optimistic tomorrow could be the day where we get a nice push up, at least to the top of our price range, if not to the next level up at 730. What you got to worry about is if we see another test of this 620 level. We want to see a strong bounce there. We want to see another long wick type bounce. I guess you guys can't see that on this side of the camera. All right, see this long wick type bounce here. We're not hanging around testing this level. Just a little boop and then off to the races. Same thing that we saw more recently with a couple of candles here. Long wick. We don't even come down and actually touch the support line. Just a little fake out, and then we start moving to the upside. Anything more than that, testing that bottom channel there, could be cause for concern. And if we do fall below that, I would stay away. We want to see this thing moving upwards, and if you're in a position, especially if you're doing a day trade, swing trade type situation, and you've got some gains, I would not hold it overnight. So typically, even on what any analyst would interpret as a Bulling's earnings report, we still see a drop in the price on the next day. So if you're doing short-term trading and you get some gains tomorrow, book the profits and expect to see a drop off tomorrow at the open, and you can pick up some more at that point. But don't hold overnight expecting to see more. You very well could see more, but it's much more likely that if there's a big push up tomorrow, there'll be a sell-off on Tuesday, is what I'm trying to say here. So I think the key levels just to look for are the 695 level. If we can break out above that, or if we're bullish tomorrow, look for a test at the top of that range. If the markets are weak, if Tesla is weak tomorrow, again, look out for this level. If we're testing this 619, that's scary territory. If we start to fall below it, get away, stay away. You know, it's not going to be a good day, I would say. And again, even if the markets are strong, even if the markets are weak, Tesla could still go in the other direction. We've seen much weaker correlation between Tesla and these indexes recently than what we saw earlier in 2021, when Tesla was basically moving in tandem with the SPY and the NASDAQ for a while there. Not so much anymore. Now it's kind of doing its own thing. Just a lot of catalysts surrounding it. And again, just look at where we are on these larger time frames. There is a cross between these trends, and there are some strong support levels around here, and it's a tough position for Tesla to move. So there's going to be jerky movements or sideways movements in the stock either way. There's no one clear trend, one clear catalyst, one clear support level. There's a lot of levels, there's a lot of trends, and there's a lot of catalysts. So it's tough to read right now. So if you're doing some short-term trading, I would say book profits should be the mantra of the day trader or the swing trader right now with Tesla stock. Don't be patient, don't get greedy, just book profits and come back again tomorrow, because more than likely I would say if we have a green day tomorrow, a nice strong push up, say test at that 695 level or even of the 730 level on Tuesday, you're gonna see a sell-off. We could give back half of those gains or more, and that's not uncommon to see with Tesla and other tech stocks around their earnings times. So I am bullish tomorrow. If I had to bet, I'd say just because we haven't really seen that pre-earnings push that is usually typical of Tesla and other hype companies similar to Tesla that are tech growth stock names. I think we could definitely see it tomorrow. So look out for that. But if not, again, on the downside, be warned. If we're testing 619 to the downside, stay away. That's a very scary place for us to be at. That's pretty much it. That's all I wanted to talk about. Give you guys a little recap of last week and heads up before the earnings call tomorrow. If anyone's curious, I am done with that chemistry class that I've been taking, and I got an A. So that's good. I'm very happy about that, but I should be able to do more videos more frequently is the main point now that I'm done with that class. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like. If you enjoy my content, subscribe, turn on notifications so you know when the next video comes out. Please comment below. Let me know what you guys think about Tesla stock and what you're expecting for the action tomorrow and the earnings report as well after hours. Thanks as always for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time.